Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raj Dandekar, and today I'm very excited to present this learning material to all of you. I've been thinking about this for quite some time now, and just like many other things, when I started thinking about diffusion language models, I thought it was very difficult and the initial phase took a very long amount of time or a large amount of time for me to really understand what's going on, but the final implementation and building it fully from scratch, comparing it with autoregressive models, was fairly straightforward and simple. So I could just show you that fast thing which I did towards the end, where when things became clearer to me how I implemented language based diffusion models from scratch. But that's not how I want this course or this learning material to be. I want you to take I want to take you all through the journey which I went through, because the initial learning was difficult for me. Diffusion is not that simple, it's not that straightforward. So, to understand diffusion and to get to that stage where I could build a diffusion based language model from scratch was not easy. So, this is not going to be like those traditional courses or learning materials where we directly start from the fundamentals, directly start from the content basically. But I'll take you through a journey. I'll take you through my story of how I stumbled upon diffusion models, how I was initially scared of them, then how I learned the subject, how I mastered the subject now, so that you can follow along this journey with me. That's my intention with this course or learning material. I want this to be a journey for all of you so that you feel relatable, right? Because whenever we start learning a new subject, it's not easy. So I felt that if I documented my learning process or journey, all of you will feel that okay, you are also in a similar boat, and this will give you more confidence to learn new subjects on your own. That being said, at the end of this journey, you will build a language model, a diffusion based small language model fully from scratch. You'll compare it with the autoregressive language models. So it's an amazing exercise, or it will be a beautiful conclusion for all of you. As with all of the videos which we record at Vijwara, this is going to be long form content. This is not a short content. I'll explain everything in depth, everything from scratch and from first principles. If you already know some aspect of what I'm about to explain, you can skip that particular portion and move to the next part. But for a complete understanding, I recommend you to watch it all. Thanks again, everyone, and let's get started.